Jaytee and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I'll be teaching you guys another song to play on the ukulele because I know na mas gusto niyo yung mga tutorials kaysa sa covers. And yeah, without further much ado, grab your ukulele because today I'm gonna teach you how to play Sunday Morning by Maroon 5. So for this tutorial, I will be using my KOKOLELE in the concert size. Ayan, this is from Clifton Guitars. And this is in the shade, parang makeup lang. This is in the shade, spruce, parang spruce top, tapos red na likod. Ayan, bagay kasi nakapula ko ngayon. So, if you want to purchase this type of ukulele, so you may click the description box below if you want to purchase this sa LAZADA. Ayun! So, for this tutorial, you just need 3 chords to learn in the ukulele. And these are just basic chords. The first chord that you need to learn is the chord of D minor. Ayan. So, index finger dito, tapos middle finger, tapos fourth finger. Ayan lang. Yan yung D minor natin. And the next chord is G. Ayan. So, this is super basic. Ayan. Ayan. So, index finger, middle finger, fourth finger dyan sa gitna ng dalawang daliri na to. Ayan. Tapos, para sa super easy chord, ayan. The third and the easiest chord, ayan, chord of C. So, index finger on the first string, third fret. Ayan. So, again, D minor, G, and then C. Okay? Tapos, sa strumming pattern natin, may dalawang strumming pattern tayo na gagamitin for this song. First one is down, down, up, down. And then the other one is down, down, up, 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 down, up, down. Yung strumming pattern na to is, eto din yung ginamit natin sa Fake Love natin. Fake Love by BTS if you haven't checked it out. So, ayun, just click that card up there. So, may lalabas dyan. So, if you're interested, so go ahead and check it out. So, ayan. Let's proceed to the first verse of the song. So, magiging ganito siya. So, ayan. For the entire song, okay? So, from intro to verse 1 to chorus to bridge, ganun yung magiging, chord progression, ganun din yung strumming pattern, okay? So, ayun. 1, 2, 3, go. First chord, D minor, ayan. Down, down, up, down. Tapos, move to the, to the second chord, G. Down, down, up, down. Tapos, pagkalipat sa C, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, 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 down, up, down. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, go. Sunday morning rain is falling. Steal some cover, share some skin. Clouds are shouting us in moments unforgettable. You twist to fit the mold that I am in. Up, up, down, but things just get so crazy. Living life gets hard to do, and I would gladly hit the road, get up and go. If I knew that someday it would lead me back to you, that someday it will lead me back to you. Ayan, chorus na tayo. And maybe darkness is all I see. So come and rest your bones with me. Driving slow on Sunday morning, and I never want to leave. Ayan. So, yung magiging as I have said earlier, the verse 2, the chorus, and the bridge part. So, for the entire song, same chords, same strumming pattern, and same everything. Ayun. So, I hope na may bagong natutunan naman kayo sa video na to. So, let me know your thoughts about this video by adding comments down in the comment section below. And hit thumbs up if you like this tutorial. And of course, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, click the subscribe button down below. And see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!